All right, so quickly, let me show you how to access the admin backend from which you control the entire VTU website, and as the owner, and even give access and control everything. Now, just go to your website address, in this case adetolagbadeyandcom.ng/admin. So /admin, that is the link. Exactly. So this is the admin login. So now the default login. So once you have just installed the website, the default login will be admin, password too, admin. Simple. Both small letters. Admin, admin, and login. You can see login successful. So now you can now change it after logging into whatever you want to use, so that it will be difficult for hackers or whatever. You can change it once you log in. So now this is the admin end. As you can see, Mascara is automatically connected for you. So from which you can be sourcing the data, the airtime, all the services. Then you can connect two other platforms or companies to be sourcing your data, airtime, electricity payments, GoTV, DSTV, everything. All right, so now you can see I've already created by default one account. The account of the owner is one. Then I've created one when I after we created this website, making it 2 years. So yours, you will see one. So as people create accounts, everything they do, you'll be seeing it here. Okay, so now let's go to menu. You can see dashboard, which is where I just showed you. System users, this one is, if you want to, you can add, let's say you are a busy person and you want to give access to somebody to be helping you managing your website, your VTU website. This is where you give access to people. All right, so you can add new user, full name, whatever. What kind of access do you want to give them? Do you want to make them assistant admin, super admin? I would advise you make people assistant admin so that they can just do anything that they like. So that's how it works. So okay, I want to go over everything quickly. So good. Now subscribers, those are the users. As users register, this is where you see them. You can do anything. You can delete the users, you can approve, you can you can add money manually, you can debit manually, you can do everything about users under there. So since there are no users now, no need to go there now. So just click subscribers. Then there's also credit users here. If you want to credit users, then services. All right, so this is where you set your services. Let's say I want to set the prices for airtime. Let me click on airtime. So now by default you have this. So MTN, VTU, you set the amount you buy, then amount you want normal users, which are subscribers, to be getting it. Agents, there are 3 levels that you have. You have normal subscribers, agents, and vendors. To be subscriber, once you register, you're a subscriber. To be an agent, you upgrade with 500 with any amount. The default here is about I think 500 now. You can change it to any amount you want. To be a vendor, you upgrade with I think 3,000 or 5,000 or something to be an agent. So you can edit this. So now the point is, MTN, you set your price, how much they will be buying MTN airtime. So let's say from where you are buying it, Mascara or any other platforms, you're getting it 96 naira. And then you set your desired price for users, agent, and vendors. You can edit it here. Same thing for Glow, 9 Mobile, Airtel, then that's VTU. Then there's also share and sell, which is not common anyway. So that's how it works. Same thing, if you want to set prices for data, you click on data. So apart from all these ones, you can still add new plan. But all these plans are already here by default. So you can edit the prices, edit everything. So let's say 500 MB MTN SME. which is 30 days, you get it for 115, and you want to sell to normal users 150, agents 120, vendor 110. You can edit it, you can delete it, you can add new by clicking this green add new button. If I click add new now, I'll select the network, is it MTN, name, I'll call it say 2 gig. Now what type is it? SME. Let me say SME. Plan ID. So once the company or the platform you want to connect to the API, all of their plans, all the plans, they will put plan ID in front. So that plan ID is what you paste here. All right. So then the duration, does it last for 30 days? If it is 30 days, you write 30. So the price you are buying it, then the price you want to be giving it to users, to agents, then to vendors, then you save. It's as simple as that. So let me back. So now you do the same thing for cable, for electricity, exam pin, recharge card. We won't go through all of them one after the other for time. So just the exact same pattern. Now, so transactions, obviously all the transactions happening on your website, this is where you see them. Then sales analytics, your profit, everything, you will see the details here. So you'll be able to see everything here. Send email, if you want to send email to your users, that's where. Notifications, if there's any notification from any user or anything, any important thing, this is where you see them. Messages, if there's any message received, this is where you see it. Site settings, this is important to us right now. Let's go to site settings. So now you can change this to whatever you want the name of your website to be. Let's say I want Adetola Dan. I'm just saying for my own case now. So the address, obviously you change it to your website address. So adetolagbadeyan.com.ng. You get? So API documentation link, this is okay. Bank name. So let's say I want UBA as well. So the name, edit this to yours, Adetola Gbadeyan. This you edit it 222100564222. So electricity charges, so 50 naira or 100 naira, whatever amount you want, airtime purchase, okay. The minimum airtime purchase, set it. The maximum airtime purchase, set it. Agent fee, upgrade fee. So how much do you want them to pay to upgrade to an agent? How much do you want them to pay to upgrade to vendor? You set it here. So wallet to wallet transfer charges. Let's say you want 30 naira. I'm just saying referral bonus, if you want to use it, if you don't want to put 0 there. If I put 0 here now, you see, if you want to put it, so anon, then you click update. So that is site settings for you, which is very important, at least to make your site custom. So contact settings, let me show you that quickly as well. So phone number, this is where you should add, because so that users can reach you. This is where you should add your phone number, email, and everything. Just add them here. So then network settings. All right, any service you want to disable, maybe it's not functioning, it's not okay from the source, and you want to quickly disable it, you can disable them here. You can disable MTN generally, or MTN airtime, MTN share and sell, MTN SME. You can disable Airtel. See, you can disable Airtel and the rest like that. So that's where you control which service you want to have working or disabled. All right. So that's under site settings. So now let's go to API settings. So API is like how you connect to the platforms you are getting the data, the airtime, the cable, and the electricity and the rest from. How you connect to them, so that when anybody buys on your website, it automatically credits them from the platform you are getting it from. That's what API is. So now, for cable, so you need to paste your Mascawa API key. So you need to go to mascawa.com, to register an account, do the verification and everything, mascawa.com. So once you're done, you log in. Once you're done, you log in. So just log in. So then the next thing is to come to developer API on the menu. So all you need to do now is copy this token. Copy, simple, and go back to your website. So delete this letter and paste that token here, Mascawa, cable API key, paste it again. Okay, since you're using Mascawa, you can just okay, paste it there. Electricity, okay, electricity, Mascawa. Am I pressing the right place? Electricity, Mascawa, then you paste it there. All right, electricity meter key, paste it again, importantly, Mascawa. Exam pin, paste it, Mascawa. Recharge cards and everything, that's recharge card, that's if they have anyway, because recharge card is scarce, but just paste it in case. So then Mascawa sub, okay, data pin and whatever, paste it, data pin here. Okay, so you update. All right, so you can do the same thing for this. Is under general. You can also go to airtime, do the same thing. You can see you paste the same key, paste it, select Mascawa, share and sell, you paste it there too, Mascawa, you update. I hope you understand. So that's how it works. So for me, this is a test. Those API keys I pasted, they're already in use on my real website, so I want to make sure I'm not affecting the real website. So that's how you paste. And you go to services that I showed you the other time, set your prices for each of the services, and voila, everything's there. And make sure you deposited enough money to cover for all the transactions inside Mascawa. So that's how transactions will be going on. If there's no money inside Mascawa, transactions will fail. They will not go through. So that's how it works. So now, importantly, so you want to know how to set Monify for automated payments and pay stack. So that's very, very important. So for your VTU website, so come to Monify settings. Under Monify settings, you can see you need to paste your Monify API key, Monify secret key, Monify contract address. So now, first of all, you need to create your Monify account by going to, by visiting monify.com, Monify's website. All right, monify.com. So then, okay, so when you create your account, they will ask you for some verification process. Just follow the verification process, and follow it. Whatever they ask you, they will ask you for profile information, company information. Just you don't need to be a registered. You don't need to be registered with CAC at all. So just declare what you are, that you're a VTU business and everything, and you will be approved by Monify. Now, once you are approved, so log into your Monify account. Once you're approved, so log into your Monify account, and you come to developer. So okay, you come to developer, then you copy your API key, secret key, paste it there, wallet account number, you copy it, contract code, you copy it and you paste it there. Now you paste something here, webhook of your website, which is HTTPS. Now there is a document I've created for webhooks. So you see what the Monify webhook that you paste in here. Replace the address with your own website. HTTPS :// So my own is adetolagbadeniyan.com.ng/webhook/mobile and the rest. So yours will be different. /webhook/monify/index.php. Yours will be your own website. If you put my own there, you just want to be dashing me money, okay? So you will change that adetolagbadeniyan.com.ng to your website, but you will still have /webhook/monify.php .php. Simple. That's the webhook. You paste it inside Monify and you click save. So you paste it inside Monify and you click save changes. It's as simple as that. So once you do that and you've come here inside your own inside your website to paste the Monify API key, Monify secret key, Monify contract address, then you set the charges based on what you know that Monify usually charges around 1.5%. So once you paste the charges here, you set your charges, you click on Monify activation should be on. Okay, so which of the bank accounts you want them to be able to use? Wema Bank, Money Point, you set all of that, you just click save changes. Same thing for Paystack. So also you visit paystack.com. Paystack.com, you visit paystack.com. Okay, you visit paystack.com to create your account and verify. The verification is even simpler than Monify. So in a day you should be activated and live on Paystack. But Monify can take some time. That's how they are short. During my own time, I remember they took like 3 weeks before they activated my account. So, but that's because then, me, I was doing trial and I was doing it for the first time. So, but now that you know what you're supposed to do, it should be fast. So now, so you copy your live secret key, your live public key, then you paste it inside your website under the Paystack settings. Then you copy the Paystack webhook from the webhook documents that I added in the course folder. You copy that webhook URL for Paystack and paste it here, which is https :// Adetola. My own is adetolagbadeniyan.com.ng/webhook/paystack/index.php. Yours, that adetolagbadeniyan.com.ng will be different. It will be your own website. It's as simple as that. So once you do that, voila, Monify and Paystack will be working on your website, and people can now create. Once people register an account, automatically Monify accounts and Paystack accounts will be generated for them that they can transfer to. When they transfer to those accounts, the money will reflect in your own Monify account that you can withdraw to your bank account you added to the Monify. Then also, if they use Paystack, the money will reflect in your Paystack account that you can withdraw to the bank account you connect to your Paystack account. And also, once they are funding, the money will be reflecting in their wallet so that they can use the money to purchase. So where are they purchasing from? They are purchasing from you, but where is the purchase coming from exactly? From the API, the Mascawa that you are connected to. So that's why you have to have set all the prices of your plans where I showed you. Let me show you again. So after you've done your API settings for Mascara, you come to services here and set the services, set all your prices for airtime, data, cable, all of them, and make sure there's money in your Mascara account so that once they are making purchase, it will be going through successfully. It's as simple as that. So now um there are still a few things I want to show you. Still some things I want to show you, some customizations. All right, so let's go to manage account. So under manage account, obviously you should change your account name. So mine, let's say I want to write Adetola Dan. So admin, if you want to make this, if you want to, if you want to change your login, then this is where you change your login. So current password is admin. So you now change it to whatever you want to change it to. You understand? Admin. You get. So then you update. So I've changed mine successfully. So that way you've changed your password and everything. So now there are still some customizations. Let's visit the website from the front end. From the let's visit the website like a customer, so we can see some more customizations that you are meant to do, that you would want to do. So let's see. So the website is adetolagbadenyo.com.ng. All right, voila, our website. Now this logo here, how can you change it? I'm going to show you. So but then as you can see, now I can log in. Because I already created an account before. So if you want to create an account, just click register. So what password is that? Okay, yeah, I've logged in. All right, so good. As you can see, the website is fully functional. Okay, so the name of the website that I set, you can see it over here, Adetola Dan. Okay, so I'll show you how to change this name, because this name here is not, you see this Adetola Dan, just you notice that you are seeing something else here. You might want to change that. I'll show you where to change that in a jiffy. Now balance, you can review balance, you can hide it. Very nice. You can fund wallet from by clicking here, you know yeah, you can forward wallet. So there are three methods through Monify, which is the one under bank here, you can see. So since I didn't connect anyone here, so you won't see anything, because this is just a test platform, not my real I can't be showing you uh my real Monify and everything. So for card, which is through Paystack, you see it here, the manual. Obviously if they want to make manual transfer, this is it. So now let's go to menu. You can see home. Home was where we logged in into when we just logged in. Now you can see that has all these services: airtime, data card, electricity, exam pins, cable. There's nothing you're looking for in a bill payment platform and a VTU website that you don't have here. So but much more than that, you can see they can fund wallets, SMS, KYC verification, that is the CBN verification required these days. They can do it over here through NIN or BVN, but that does not even stop them from having a automated account for funding their wallet. So but they can still do the verification. Data, airtime, let's visit the data page. You see, if you want to buy MTN, Airtel, Glo, 9 Mobile, you select which network, select the type, is it SME, select the plan, is it 1 gig, 500 MB, 2 gig, and so on and so forth. All right, if you want to buy airtime, okay, you can see, is it MTN, is it Glo, MTN, VTU, phone number, and on and on. All right, so if they type the amount they want to buy, it will show the amount they will pay. They're paying 99 naira. So it's a very sleek, very nice platform. You Okay, so and all the services listed, you know, transactions, they can see their transactions, they can do wallet transfer, you know, and on and on. So pricing, then developer API, and on and on. Very complete system. So, but now let's log out again. Let's log out because I need to show you some customization. Let's log out. Let's log out. Now, don't have an account, sign up. See the name here. How can you change this? All right. Now, if you go to sign up page 2, see this name. How can you change it? So those are important things to look at. So, and that logo thing I talked about. So let's go to the back end of the website. Let's go to the C panel or the H panel. That's where we'll be working from now. Let's go to the C panel or the H panel. So we're almost done. Now we're inside the H panel. Okay, so file manager, file manager, let's let it load. File manager, okay, it's still loading. All right, so public HTML. Now from here, all right, from here, the first thing you want to do is you want to change that name at the top. That is not the name of your website, your VTU website. So come to core, come to helpers, come to vendor, and click on site.php. Long click and click edit. Please don't do any other thing I didn't ask you to do. So you see, if I change this over here to Adetola, let's say Ife, so that I can see the difference, the changes, and I click save, you will notice that the site would have changed from Adetola Dan, that their site name was at the top, to Adetola Ife by the time we log in. All right, so let me log in. Okay, hold on. Can you see? Can you see that, it has changed to Adetola Ife? Exactly. That is what we're saying. So that's how you can edit that. So then we have other things to do over there. Okay. So now let's go to mobile. Let's go to register. Now you see this 5 register dot register 1.php, register 2.php, register 3, the 5. That's why you head it, so that you can change the footer for the registration page. Okay, so that I can change the footer for the registration page. Let's scroll down to locate that thing. Okay, you see, can you see it here? NKS sub, and you see when they click NKS sub, it leads them to that website, topupmate.com. So what you need to do is edit the website first. Okay, edit the website first. Okay, com.ng / I'm editing the website adetolagbadinyo.com.ng. So please ensure you don't touch what you're not supposed to touch or delete anything apart from those things I'm showing you. So if I put Adetola down here, you will see, and what do I do next? I click save. Do you see that? I just come out. Now I'll do the same thing for this 5. You do it for 2, 3, 4, 5, so that now any of those design patterns, because there are different design pages that you can use, any of them that you use, that customization you did would reflect on it. So same thing for login. Let's go into login. We do the same thing. Login 1, edit. Okay, so let's locate that footer. Let's locate the footer. Okay, it might be okay. This is it. So we'll change that website address first to our own adetola.gbadinyo.com.ng. Okay, so Adetola done. Save. All right, so you do the same thing all through there. Let's go to assets, then img. You see this logo dark.png and logo icon dark.png. So now those are the, if you want to change logo to yours, those are the two that you need to change. So how do you do that? You will go to Canva, create a logo of your choice. Make sure the logo is not big and it's normal, so that it will fit in well. Then save it with this same name. Save two. Save one, logo dark.png. Make sure you save it as png from Canva. Then save the second one as logo icon dark as png too. Then you come here, you click upload file, and you upload that logo and use it to overwrite these two logos here. So let me show you. Downloads, it should be under download. So just good. Even though it's the same thing, let me just select this and replace. You click replace or overwrite inside normal cPanel. Replace. Do you understand? And you use it to replace it. Do the same thing for the two. By the time you do that, the logo will change. The logo of the website will change to your own. So that is how to customize your website.